Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Crosstab query from scratch in Microsoft Access. Crosstab queries are incredibly useful for summarizing and analyzing your data in a grid format, making it easier to spot patterns and trends at a glance. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Once the software has loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin creating your Crosstab query from scratch. First, click on the Create tab at the top part of your screen. This is where all your essential tools are located for building queries, tables, and forms. From here, look for the Query Wizard option and click on it. This wizard will guide you through the process of setting up your Crosstab query step by step. A small Query Wizard window will appear on your screen. For the new query type, select Crosstab query from the available options, then click on OK. The window will transform into a Crosstab query wizard, which is specifically designed to help you organize your data in a meaningful way. Now start by selecting the table you wish to create your Crosstab query from. This table contains all the data you want to analyze. Once you've chosen your table, click on Next to proceed to the next step. For the next step, you'll be selecting the row headings you wish to use. Row headings determine how your data will be organized vertically in your Crosstab. Do note that you can select as many row headings as needed for your analysis. Once you've selected the proper row headings, click on Next to continue. Now you'll be selecting column headings this time. Column headings organize your data horizontally across the top of your Crosstab. Same as mentioned before, select as many column headings as needed for your dataset. These headings will help categorize your information in a way that makes sense for your specific needs. Once you've made your selections, click on Next. Now it's time to set the Crosstab function. You can choose from options like count, first, last, max, or min, depending on what calculation you want to perform on your data. This function determines how Access will summarize the values that appear in the body of your Crosstab. Once you've configured this setting, enter a name for your Crosstab query so you can easily identify it later, then click on Finish. Access will now process your selections and create the Crosstab query. You may need to wait a moment while it organizes all your data according to the parameters you specified. And that's it. You've successfully created a Crosstab query from scratch in Microsoft Access, allowing you to view and analyze your data in a structured, easy-to-read format. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.